Alright, today we're going to be making Korean style ramen noodles with an egg. I learned this recipe from a Korean ramen noodle chef. Alright, so you have some ramen noodles and you have the bowl and you have an egg. And so what you're going to do is read the labeling. It says Shin Ramyeon Noodle Soup. Okay, so spicy gourmet. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this package. And I am going to pour the crunchies inside. And then I have a couple of packages. I have this right here. I have the seasoning package and I have the vegetable package. I'm going to pour the vegetable package inside at the bottom of the bowl. And then I am going to put the ramen noodles. If it doesn't fit in the bowl, break it a little bit. And I'm going to put the seasoning packet and an egg to the side. And I'm going to add water to this particular bowl. Alright. Now, this particular brand requires it to be cooked for about 7 minutes if you're cooking with room temperature water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes. And then add the egg and let it cook for the remainder too. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave oven for 5 minutes. Alright, after 5 minutes I'm going to take the ramen noodles out. Be careful because it will be hot. I'm going to add the seasoning packet. To the bowl of ramen. And then I'm going to mix it a little bit, get the seasoning all the way through. And then I'm going to take the egg and place it towards the side. That's where it gets in the water a little bit. Put it on top, and then put it back in the microwave for an additional 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Alright, after about a minute and a half, pull out the ramen noodles. Look at it. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. They are done. As you can see right here. Let me get in a little bit so you can see all the texturity. The egg is perfectly done. The ramen noodles is perfectly done. Pick up the egg a little bit. Doesn't it look good? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.